Hello friends, welcome to my channel Street to Goal. As you know that we are continue chapter wise question answers, extra question answer, and today we are going to complete metal and non-metal class 10th science chapter 3. So here we see the objective question and long answer question. These all are the previous year questions, 2 mark questions, and long answer 3 mark 5 mark question. So here we will not continue all the questions. Some important question we are discussed here. Give one must suitable word for the following statement. First question: metal oxide which show the basic as well as the acidic behavior. Answer is amphoteric oxide. Second question: iodine a shining non-metal. Answer is luster. Second question: write the chemical equation for the reaction taking place when the steam is passed over hot aluminium. Answer is 2Al solid plus 3H2O aqueous solution. When we heat it give aluminium Al2O3 solid plus 3H2 gas. What happens when the carbon dioxide is compressed in the water at high pressure? So the answer is carbonic acid is formed. Its formula CO2 plus H2O. It gives H2CO3. And why oxide of highly reactive metal cannot reduce by carbon? It is because highly reactive metals themselves are good reducing agent, so they cannot be reduced by carbon. And question number 6, you can see, give comparison of the alloy brass and bronze. Brass is made up of Cu and copper and zinc. Bronze is made up of the Cu and Sn. What is the formula of rust? Rust is a hydrate ferric oxide, formula Fe3O3 into X2O. Now here we see question number 28. We are going. Which gas is liberated when a metal react an acid? How will you set this gas? Answer is hydrogen gas is formed bearing a burning splatter near the gas. It will burn with pop sound. The pop sound activity is very important. Directly question came from this activity. You have to see clear this. Now come to the next question. Why do ionic compound have highly melting point? Answer: it is due to the strong forces of attraction between the positively charged and negatively charged ions. Here we see in which question? Question number 19. Here. Define the metallurgy. Metallurgy, all the process involved extraction of metal from its ore is called metallurgy. Now come to the 2 mark question. Name a metal and non-metal which make iron hard and strong, and which is alloyed with other metal to make amalgam. Kerosene. No, not this question. Sorry. Question number 44 and question now 45. Question number 45. Which of the following list metal can display zinc from its salt solution? Give reason for your answer with a chemical equation. Copper, lead, magnesium, silver. Magnesium can display zinc from zinc salt solution because magnesium is more reactive than zinc, and you can write this in a formula: magnesium plus zinc SO4 in aqueous solution. It gives magnesium SO4 aqueous solution plus zinc in solid. Now we see question number 44. Name a metal and non-metal which make iron hard and strong. Its answer is carbon make it hard and strong. Tungsten also make it hard and strong. B question. Which alloyed with other metal to make amalgam? Answer is mercury is alloyed with metal to form amalgam. And the third question is which is used to galvanize iron articles. Answer is zinc metal is used for coating over iron metal to galvanize iron. D question. Whose article when exposed to air form a black coating? Silver article acquire black coating when the left exposed at atmosphere. Now come to the question number 52. A copper plate was dissipated into the solution of silver nitrate. After some times, a black layer was observed on the surface of copper plate. State the reason for it and write the chemical equation for the reaction involved. So the answer is copper is more reactive than the Ag, therefore it can display Ag and aluminum from the aluminum nitrate solution. You can write it in a formula Cu solid plus AgNO3. Aqueous solution gives Cu and NO3 in bracket 2 aqueous solution plus 2 Ag solid. Now come to the question number 60. What happened to the potassium and sodium if they are kept in open? Why are they three immersed in kerosene oil? Potassium and sodium it kept in open can catch the presence of moisture. They are immersed in kerosene so that they do not react with air and H2 present in the atmosphere. And now we see the long question answer. Question 5 mark question. Sorry, this 3 mark question. As you can see this question, you can read all this question. I move slowly. Now come to the 5 mark question. First question is define the kerosene. You know very well. The process in which matter react with a substance present in the atmosphere to form surface compound is called kerosene. And second, what is the kerosene of iron called? Answer is kerosene of iron is called rusting. How will you recognize the phenomena of kerosene of silver? Answer, it turns black on the kerosene due to the formation of Ag2S. Come to the question number D. Why kerosene of iron metal is serious problem? It weakness bridges and metals and lot of iron gets wasted every year. Question number D. How can we prevent kerosene of iron? We can prevent kerosene of iron by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanization by forming its alloy. Now come to the question number 137. No, it's not important. Question number, we see the question number 135. A metal E is stored under the kerosene oil. When a small piece of it is left open in air, it catches fire. When the product formed is deployed in water, it turns red litmus blue. Name the metal E. So the metal E is sodium metal. And now question will be write the chemical equation of the reaction when it is exposed to air and when the product is deployed in water. So here write formula 2Na plus 2H2O give 2NaOH plus H2, and H2 is gas which catch fire and NaOH return red litmus blue, and here they given a formula. Explain the process by which metal is obtained from its molten chloride. It is obtained by electrolytic reduction. Sodium metal is obtained by the electrolyzing of molten sodium chloride. Here you can write formula molten NaCl electrolyzing N plus Cl will be separate at the cathode and the anode. In the cathode it will produce sodium electron and sodium positive and sodium negative. At the anode, chlorine and chlorine plus electron separated, and chlorine plus chlorine is equal to Cl2. You can see 136 question and with answer. You can read this all. It's all 5 mark questions. This type of questions directly asked from the activity which given in your chapter. So the don't left chapters activity 5 mark question. This 5 mark question directly asked from there, and these all are the questions, previous year question, and in your paper ICO directly asked from the previous year questions because your board has been removed. Thank you to all. Share, comment, and subscribe my channel. This type or questions you will get on in my channel. Thank you.